situation where this security is not provided, then someone from their team itself would have tried to kill him before he could have effected his reform.
But they won't spend some of
Hello, myself is Amina Sheikh. I am doing postgraduate diploma in management here. My specialization is healthcare. Today I am here to attend a workshop dealing with difficult people. It's a great experience for me to being with Welingkar from last 20 years. In 2003 I did diploma in business management from Welingkar. So after 20 years I'm back over here to my second home because it's a great experience for me to being in a Welingkar. It's give a great opportunity to learn the world in a new dimension, and I'm very thankful for Welingkar providing such kinds of workshop.
Hello, this is Abhishek Kotak. I am student of Welingkar, July 2022 batch. I am doing my specialization in supply chain management. Welingkar has designed a program in a wonderful way where we have VCF, PCP and workshops. Workshops is a place where we have opportunity to connect with different people from different domains. It's a quite good, insightful learning about human behavior and how to deal with the people. And there are strategies and scientific ways to deal with it, and it's great to learn about this. Thank you very much.